Hey everyone, it's Lorenzo from Inception Auto Detailing here, and what I have here is a Lexus brand new 2022 Lexus NX 350h hybrid. And so this SUV here is one that we actually don't get all the time, and it's actually a very unique color here. So what we did here is pretty simple, straightforward for any new vehicle owners, and then also for the new vehicle protection package. So apart from the prep work where we wash the car, we clay the car, we polish the paint to make sure that the paint surface is clear and clean before the PPF application and ceramic coating. So after the prep work is done, we got the XPEL Ultimate Plus 7mm thickness film, which gives you the clearest appearance where you can't even tell that there's a film on it until you actually apply it on the car, or you look very close. So we did the full front end on this one, which is your bumpers, your fenders, full fenders, your hood, your mirrors, and your headlights and fog lights. So that's what constitutes a full front end protection. So once the PPF is applied and we gave it some curing time, then we layered the entire car with the 22 PLE ZX Mistico Elemento Ceramic coating to give that protection from the elements and that glass look, wet look shine. So we just have a couple more touch-ups in this car, and then this car will be ready for delivery the next day. So stay tuned and enjoy.